Hey, YouTube friends. Thanks for being here. First, like and subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff so I can get more views, so I can help more people with eco cleaning tips. I cleaned this oven back in December for a client of mine, and I had posted a short version of it on TikTok, and I had a couple people say, can you make a long version and explain how you did it? So here you go. You're welcome. First, I like to throw down a towel underneath because when I'm going to spray my solution, I don't want it to leak on the floor and give me more stuff to clean. I like to use vinegar since it is acidic, cleaning vinegar. And I can make a vinegar water thieves cleaner mix or vinegar Blue Dawn or vinegar and essential oils or whatever, or just straight vinegar and water. I like to spray and saturate the oven. Let that sit for a little bit. The best tools for an oven cleaning are stainless steel, scrubber, and a pumice stone. Now, the key is you have to keep those wet to prevent scratching. So I like to fill up a cup with warm water and soak the stainless steel scrubber in there while I'm scrubbing and the pumice stone. And those are great because the vinegar eats away at the grime, so it makes it a lot softer to come off. And the stainless steel and the pumice stone is great because it removes the built-on grime that you can't easily wipe off. In this video, I used the Scrub Daddy Power Paste. I really like that a lot if you're looking for a little bit more texture and not just liquid and you want like a scrubbing paste. That's really good to use. And you get the scrubbing. Now, this is not the type of thing where it's easy off, you spray and you just wipe it off. It does take a few more minutes of scrubbing, but the benefits is you're not inhaling toxic Easy Off. You don't have to worry about your food tasting like Easy Off because you're using non-toxic. If you don't even want to use vinegar, you don't have to. You can literally just use water, pumice stone, and the stainless steel scrubber and go to town. Then you just get a couple towels, you wipe off the solution. The pumice stone, as it's scrubbing, it does break down because it's made of like a lava rock. So it does break down into little granules. So you have to remove that with a towel. Then you could just go over with a damp towel and just continuously wipe off any excess that you may find. Spray it down with a glass cleaner. I like using thieves cleaner and vinegar and water. Give it that nice shine. And it helps remove any lingering buildup that may have formed from when the pumice stone was cleaning off the oven. And that's it. There you go. You have a beautiful, shiny oven. No toxic fumes. Nothing hazardous or dangerous. And it comes out nice and shiny and crunchified clean. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for following. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I appreciate it and I love all the views. And I do not get paid for this, by the way. For these videos. I can't seem to monetize my YouTube. I wish I could. Help me out. Give me more views. I can't figure it out. But in the meanwhile, I'm still going to keep sharing eco cleaning tips because that's what I love to do. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Oh, check out my website, my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com. And head over to my Amazon shop so you can grab these tools to get your oven cleaned.